In this video, we'll walk you through several methods for finding your Windows 10 product key, whether you need it for activation, reinstallation, or support. The command prompt method. Press the Windows key and S, type CMD, and run as administrator. Then type this command and hit enter, and the product key will show up. PowerShell method. Open PowerShell as an administrator. Then type this command and hit enter, and the product key will show up. If those methods don't work, try these third-party tools. Belark Advisor offers a detailed system profile and product key. Magical Jelly Bean Key Finder is great for multiple Microsoft products. License Crawler is portable and easy to use, especially for older systems. So let's quickly recap. These are 3 methods to find your Windows 10 product key. Command prompt method, PowerShell method, or use third-party tools such as Belark Advisor, Magical Jelly Bean Key Finder, or License Crawler. Subscribe to NinjaOne IT Tech Tips for more helpful content like this.